Hey Curly Teas! Today, learn how to make a softening, moisturizing, conditioning spray that's easy to use and easy to make. The addition of aloe vera juice with nettle and fenugreek can help promote healthy, strong hair. This video has limited voiceovers. As I've said before, this is actually more like my process. I'm usually vibing out while experimenting and testing out my formulas. So please keep watching and enjoy the music. As always, use whichever preservation system you like best. Just follow the recommended guidelines about their usage.
Pentylene glycol can enhance the absorption of other beneficial ingredients, such as vitamins and extracts, promoting healthier hair.
Propanediol is an alternative to propylene glycol. You may know this as Nature Silk if you've been watching CURLYTEA. I began using it years ago because it adds a glossy look to your actual product. It's also a humectant for the hair and the skin. It's less sensitizing than propylene glycol. Propanediol seems to have gotten more popular over the years, especially in skincare. It's used to cut down on the stickiness of glycerin. Bamboo extract is said to promote strength and shine of the hair over time. The suggested usage rate for this bamboo extract starts at 5%. Make sure you pay attention to the suggested usage rate for whatever type of bamboo extract you have.
Bamboo extract exhibits potent anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe the scalp and reduce irritation. This is beneficial for maintaining a healthy scalp environment conducive to hair growth.
Okay, y'all, hear me out. The CURLYTEA YouTube channel is not, not monetized. In this economy, it's becoming more and more important to learn how to make at least some of your own products. Like, y'all have no idea how many people are still asking for info about how to replace their more expensive products in their lineup. I still don't know what to tell y'all about these $30, $40, and sometimes $50 and $60 hair care products. Like, I make a lot of my own stuff, so becoming a member at curlytea.com gets you access to what I know. All of the niche, handmade, DIY recipes and formulas, including the full ingredients lists, instructions, my notes, and other information. At the very least, you can improve over your perspective on why creating your own hair care and skincare products is important. Get introductions to ingredients you may have never considered using before. Now, this endeavor may be a little expensive for me because I'm trying out a lot of stuff, but I do that to keep it from being expensive for you. Like, I can tell you what ingredients to skip, what you may have problems using, what may be a little bit less expensive, like what to use instead of something else and stuff like that. That's why I'm doing all of this. I love y'all no matter what. So if you can't become a member right now, please subscribe, like the video. If you're following on Twitter, retweet or post links so that your friends and your followers can see. Thank you for your time. It is much appreciated. And keep watching, girl, because we ain't done and we ain't finished.
Become a member at CURLYTEA.com for all of the DIY formulas, including instructions, tips, notes, full ingredients lists, and other information.
Nettle contains various bioactive compounds which have been associated with promoting cell survival and proliferation in hair follicles. These compounds help in extending the anagen phase. The presence of saponins and flavonoids in fenugreek contributes to its ability to strengthen hair follicles and promote hair density.
The final product is an easy to use spray that absorbs well on my hair, doesn't feel sticky or heavy, and it can be used between wash days to help keep the hair moisturized. I have it in this little fancy bottle, but you can easily use a regular spray bottle and apply it as needed. I mean, there are no rules here. Use it when you need to. When my ends feel a little dry, I spray. When my hair feels a little dry, I spray. Like, I don't necessarily have to use it every day because my hair still feels moisturized the day after I use this as well. But again, you gotta know I am using it with things like PEG 12 dimethicone and quaternium 80. So that could be why I can get multiple days of use from this product. So if you skip those two ingredients, you may have to use this every day. Anyway, shout out to the awesome patrons at Patreon and the wonderful members at CURLYTEA.com. If you're watching at YouTube, get us into the algorithm by leaving a comment below, liking this video, or clicking on the next video. Thank you guys for watching. I will talk to you soon.